Now let's see what the Nike Factory store have to offer. And I see already here the Air Force One Low, triple white. This one is returns. And how about this one? I saw the Jordan 35. This one is not the Nike Bayou or something. It's just the regular Jordan 35 with that a little bit accent of gum bottom and blue. And the price is $179.97. So we have here Air Max 2 Light for $64.99. And how about the Nike Air Max Triax, $69.99. This Nike Shock BBQS is $99.97. And we have the trash Overreact here with a different colorway. They already tagged the price and they are on the discount. It is $109.97. If they had the additional 30% this one for tomorrow, probably not. I'm gonna wait this one until it goes down to like $49.97. Okay, how about the $79.99 of a kinda Presto React Nike Renew Run on deck? For that price, $49.99. And the Joyride, $49.99 as well. Wow, we got some tons of Kyries here. We got a different price and colorway. We got this one for $99.99. We got the Kyries 6. And this one is not bad, $69.97 for this Kyrie. If they have the additional 30% off on this one, this is a good one to resell with that price, $69.97 with additional 30. That is a good one if they had it on sale for tomorrow. This one as well with a colorway white and black, not bad also. This one much better colorway though. And we found here a lot of Lebrons. They are still in retail price. These Lebrons, I like this one. And we got Kyries 13, $89.97. Well, this one if they had the 30%, maybe different sizes. Jordan Aerospace 720, $149. Jordan Mars 7270, $99. Jordan Y Not 0.0, $89.99. Alright, so we are in the hash wall, clearance wall, and they don't have the sign here yet, but let's look around if I could find something profitable for tomorrow if they do a sale. Alright, so we have here the Nike React Element 87, $49.97 in drop type premium. That's a denim. And how about this one? Nike drop type premium, $29.97. Not bad for the price. Nike Joyride is up next, $49.97. Well, okay, another Joyride, $49.97. Pass as well, even though they have a 30. This Legend React Shield, I would like to have this one in the collection because I wanted to have it for the running. And how about this one? We got the Nike Air Max Plus Essential. This one is kinda rare shoes. This one is new, re-released this year, and the colorway is not bad for this one. Checking on the comps, not much out there on eBay, also in StockX. So this kind is a rare sneaker. Alright, let's check out the women's section. There's a bunch up here, $29.97. Yeah, yep. If these are have a sale for tomorrow, they are not bad. Alright, kids section, we got the Kyries 6, $59.99. Some Lebron, $114.99. And how about this one? Air Max 270 React Grade School, $59.97. This would be a good profitable if they had it on sale tomorrow. Well, this one is another good one. Press to Extreme is gonna be a profitable for tomorrow. Well, I think that's it. We're done here and we're moving on to the other store. Maybe next one is Ross. And we're going to Ross. What's this? Ooh. Hold a second. Did you find something good? Phantom. GT. I don't know. Let's double check on this one. Under Armour. Another Stephen Curry down here. Double check already. You check comes on this one on the other store, but nothing on that one. Under Armour. Nice running shoes. Okay, that's it on the shoes. So we're just gonna do a research on this one if it's reselling that way. Some are reselling high. They were selling like 70s to 100. The good thing about this one is they are $19.99, size 10 and a half. But the bad thing is they are being like once a month. I'm gonna leave this behind. Even though it's cheap, I'm the one to sit that take long. Pass on this one. Pass. Almost done for today. I'm gonna check out the Burlington and then I'm gonna call it a day. So let's go. I'm tired. Next up, Burlington. Look at that one right there. KD 13. It's too big. Look at those. Got some Kyries here, but it is huge foot. Look at those. $24.99. If it's kind of smaller, it's gonna be a good one though. But it's a big foot. Not a big foot for Kyrie. And price is $24.99. Get some Jordans. $34.99. Look like size 16. Another big foot of KD. Yep, we got some Kobe. It's big size. Another Harden here, a big size. Some Jordans, $24.99. The Monster Lebron, and $39.99. What size? Size 16. Nope. Pass. Price $24.99. Pass. Okay, so that is for today, a day of a reseller, wherein I went for scouting in the Nike factory store, looking around on the mall if I could find something for resale. What else? Burlington, Marshalls, Ross. But with that, I didn't find that really good thing on the Nike factory store. I found a few ones like the Kyries. They're gonna be a good one when they're gonna do the 30% off, because they already mark it down. They already put a sticker. So if they're gonna do a sale tomorrow or this coming weekend, probably those are the good things to pick up. But then again, there is some few good finds also in the hash wall and the clearance wall. Unfortunately, if they don't have the 30%, it's not a good one to resell. So that is also a glimpse for you that how hard to be a reseller. Not just find something really profitable. You have to do the hard work, hustle, go out there and find something that really profitable, that you could eventually, if you want to do this for a living. But then if you're thinking you're just gonna jump into this kind of business hoping that it will work that way, nah, it's not gonna be that easy. I'm telling you, I've been doing this for almost 4 years now, mainly doing the Nike factory store, half of it doing in the Marshall, Burlington, Ross. Those are my place that I source. but then it's not always good finds always right there. And the bad thing is I'm not the only one who is sourcing. I'm not the only one looking for deals that to resell. So that's why I'm leveling up my sourcing, that I had to go on the mall as well to could find something. When I started, I don't have that enough money to buy that kind of shoe. If I'm gonna start, that's why I'm gonna tell you start on the mall. It's not that easy if you have not enough money to invest on this mall, because some of those are gonna be long hold, some are gonna be a short hold, a quick flip. But that is a glimpse for you for a day of a reseller, and I hope you learn one or two on this one. So it's just that I say it's just a glimpse, because after sourcing, after finding all these deals, you have to list them. So if you want me to go through that one and how is my process, leave a comment down below so we could discuss that one. So if you could learn more regarding after purchasing it, then you have to list them, and then the process of listing, and then putting on the inventory on the back end, and then pulling them back up when you sold them. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and if you like it, if you learned something, can you please leave a thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to hear that. So with that said, thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace, mag-ingat po kayo. Bye bye.